guys, my name is Anke and today we are going to unbox Honor 7X. This phone is from Huawei and I ordered it from Amazon. And let's check the specs of this phone. So it has got an octa-core CPU, 4 GB of RAM plus 32 GB of ROM. It has also got the update of Android Oreo, but it is given here that it comes with Android Nougat, but Android Oreo update is there in today date. Okay, so I can't see anything what is written over there. Okay, it has a 16 megapixel sensor and the second one is 2 megapixel sensor for depth sensing. So it will sense how deep is your image. It has full view display. It means 18:9 full view display. You will enjoy using the phone amazingly. It has 3340 milliamp hour of battery, which is enough for 1 day of use, and I don't think any more battery is required for a particular person more than this. But 4000 variant is also available. It has Geo VoLTE enabled. It means Geo is mostly used SIM card nowadays, that I believe. It is made in India. Mostly Honor products are made in China, but this one is made in India, which is nice. And it is powered by Huawei. It means Huawei is the parent company of Honor and Honor is the daughter company of Huawei. Baap beti ka rishta hai. And I've already broken the seals because I never thought that I would make a video on this phone, but I'm making right now. Here's the phone. Let's just keep it aside for a second. What the hell, why it is not getting out? Okay, nice experience. SIM ejector tool. Oh, okay, so there is a quick start guide. No, there is a warranty card. There is nothing properly, I mean I don't require it because I purchased it online, not from a seller. We'll keep it aside too. There is something, I think it is a case. Yeah, I thought right, it was a case. It feel like silicone. Yeah, silicone case, I'm right. Silicone case, properly made silicone case, and it's not as hard as carbon fiber case, but it works. Quick start guide is there, and IMEI number stickers, which you don't require, as we can find out IMEI number very easily from our phones. And there is a charger with a USB cable. Okay, USB cable is micro USB type. Yeah, micro USB, not type C, but I don't think we require type C. It has a 5 volt 2 ampere output. It means no fast charging, but it will do the work. I don't think the budget phones, most of budget phones have fast charging nowadays, but they will soon get fast charging in around 2020. Okay, let's keep all this aside and take out the phone. Let's take a glance. Slowly take out the phone. Okay, let me pull off the sticker or whatever that is, and here it goes. Okay, so it is looking pretty nice. SAR value is 1.23 watt per kilogram, and the blue color is very nice, very looking nice. That is the navy blue color, not blue color. It's looking very sleek and hot. And there is the noise cancellation mic on the up side, volume rockers, power button, and the fingerprint sensor which comes with most budget phones, and 2 dual cameras, 60 megapixel and 2 megapixel. And I already told you that 2 megapixel we use for depth sensing, and flashlight is also there. Without flashlight I don't think that you can survive in dark. There are antenna bands which are looking pretty nice, and Honor logo on the bottom side. The 3.5mm audio jack, the world famous audio jack that Apple removed, and the micro USB type C I mean micro USB, not type C. And yeah, the batteries are not user changeable. And there's the primary mic, which we use for calls, and yeah, primary mic which we use for calls, and speaker grills, all nicely made. The back is full aluminum, so less chances of breaking it. Let's turn it on.